I'm giving a gift where seafood is on the gift certificate. So I wanted a matching card. Have a Crabulous birthday. That's what this one says. It's a super cute birthday card, and I like the size. It's very nicely sized, cute and playful. The card illustration is what grabbed me. Instant personality and feels so high quality, not like a last minute store grab. The cardstock is noticeably heavy and smooth. Feels like boutique style card, not flimsy budget card. I like the pun and the artwork. It is bold, it is fun, it is perfect for anyone that loves seafood. So like I said, this is going with a seafood gift certificate. And it has the matching envelope, and it did arrive in a protective sleeve to prevent it from bending, and that was very thoughtful. But these cards are very charming, well made, and a fun way to make someone smile on their birthday. The quality does stand out. The pun perfectly lands. I'm laughing. And I like the blank interior. That's going to make it great to write in for anyone who appreciates a little humor. I'd absolutely pick up another design from this brand. Highly recommend.